Hello everyone. I decided to do my cultural analysis project on the ballroom dance culture. Introduction to ballroom dance culture. In this project, I explore the culture of ballroom dance, a community united by their passion for dance. This culture is distinct due to its strict rules on etiquette, attire, and interactions, and ballroom dance culture focuses on competition and partnership dynamics. And my objective for this project is to study the behaviors and interactions of ballroom dance culture. Ballroom dancers must follow specific behaviors, especially during competitions where precision is crucial. My goal was to study how dancers communicate, maintain traditions, and interact with one another with this structured, formal environment. In the ballroom dance community, the transmission of cultural values and norms is facilitated through both formal training and the informal interactions that occur with the dance environment. Newcomers learn not only the physical steps of the dance, but also the unspoken rules that govern interactions both on and off the dance floor. This learning process is integral to their acceptance and success within the community. It underscores the importance of adhering to established norms, such as the one addresses a dance partner or the proper attire for different types of dances. The learning environment itself is structured around respect for tradition and excellence and helps to ensure that these cultural values continue to be passed down through generations, preserving the distinct identity of the ballroom dance community. Observation, settings, and methods. To deepen my understanding of the ballroom dance culture, I engaged in extensive observations at local studios and competitions, focusing on the dancers' interaction, body language, and strict adherence to the cultural rules. During casual social dances, the atmosphere was more relaxed, yet participants still respected the implicit etiquette of the dance floor. In contrast, former competitions were highly structured, showcasing the precision and grace expected in performances, which are heavily judged on both technique and adherence to traditional forms. So basically, they're the opposites. Throughout these observations, I maintained a discreet presence, ensuring that my analysis was based on genuine interactions. This approach allowed me to see how the culture permeates both the relaxed and competitive aspects of ballroom dancing, reflecting a community that values tradition, respect, and excellence. Cultural rules and norms. This is very big in the ballroom dance community. The culture of ballroom dancing is anchored in well established rituals and norms that are pivotal in strengthening group identity and ensuring uniformity across both social dances and competitive events. Proper etiquette is meticulously observed, with expectations for attire strictly enforced. Women wear formal dresses, and men wear suits, reflecting the elegance and formality of the community. The hierarchical structure is prominently displayed through the roles of instructors and seasoned dancers, who not only lead by example in dance techniques but also embodying the cultural values of respect. Deviating from these norms, such as inappropriate dress or disrespectful behaviors towards partners, is seen not just as a personal misstep, but as a breach of the collective ethos, often leading to social exclusion within the group. This rigorous adherence to tradition and rules ensures the preservation of the community's identity and the continuance of its legacy. Insights as an insider. Observing as an outsider, the stark contrast between the formality of ballroom dancing and the more relaxed interactions, typically of my own culture, were immediately apparent. The ballroom dance community places a high premium on respect and adherence to well established customs, where every movement and interaction is in is steeped in tradition. This rigor structure sharply contrasted with the informality I am accustomed to, where spontaneity often guides social exchanges. From this vantage point, I could see how deeply these traditions are ingrained in the dancers' identities and how they serve as the foundation for inclusion within the group. Also, being an outsider allowed me to view these dynamics without the inherent biases that come with membership, providing a unique perspective on the critical role that these cultural values play in defining who belongs and who remains on the periphery.